said, I'm rude. I'm Ashanti. If you're new here, if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. So this weekend is a pretty chill weekend yet again. I really don't have much on my agenda. I figured I would vlog today just because I'm going to be out and about a bit, I guess. I had to go and get my windshield fixed on my car. A darn rock hit it yesterday and chipped it, so I need to get that filled before it gets any bigger, because if it gets any bigger, I'll be so mad at myself because I just had my windshield replaced last year, like probably around this time. So yeah, gotta get that fixed, and I'm going to go vote today. Please, please, please exercise your right to vote. I don't know if this vlog will be up before election day or not, but election day is November the 3rd. Please exercise your right to vote. I'm not going to tell you who to vote for because that's not my place, but please vote. Please vote. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. So I wanted to get me some breakfast, but I don't think I'm going to have enough time. I was actually, when I got up, I initially wanted to be out of the house early enough to get to early voting. It opens up at 8 a.m. I think, or 7 a.m. But my body just was not, yeah, I couldn't. It wasn't happening. So my plan now is to go to my appointment for my car. I'm losing my voice. Go to my appointment for my car. That's at 10:30. It's currently 9:55, so I should make it there on time. I'm just gonna take me some snacks to eat. I was gonna try to be fancy and get Starbucks, and then I was like, Starbucks line might be too long. And then I was like, oh, I could just mobile order some Chick-fil-A and curbside, you know, pick up or whatever. But I was like, no, I still have to get gas. So I'm going to get gas after I leave here. After I leave the house, get gas, and I'm just gonna bring me some snacks to snack on while I wait. Hopefully it won't take too long. Last time when I got my windshield replaced, that took a while. Of course, there were other people waiting. Not sure how many people it's gonna be currently, especially with all this COVID stuff going on. And they did like put on the appointment scheduler that seating space is limited because of COVID. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna grab me a granola bar. These are the Kodiak Cakes crunchy peanut butter granola bars. I don't know if y'all watched my other vlog before this one. Yeah, the one before this one. I was making protein waffles, and the batter mix that I used was by the Kodiak Cakes brand. Really good. I like these bars. So they have protein in them. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take that and an apple and my water. This is my water bottle, very aesthetically pleasing, matches my shirt. But so yeah, I'm just gonna take this. This is a liter size. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It's a glass liter size water bottle. So yeah. All right, you guys, so I will see you guys a little bit later. I'll probably check in at the gas station. I don't know. We'll see where the day takes us. Bye. Okay, I think y'all can see me. It's bright outside. But anywho, I'm back to the vlog. So I went and got my windshield repaired. Looks like new, can't even tell. It had a chip in it. Good to go. And I went to go vote. Did that, came back home, checked on Nola. Actually ended up changing my shirt. I put on a short sleeve shirt. I had on a long sleeve one. It's like 76 degrees right now. So it feels really nice outside. I'm gonna ride, you know, with the windows down and really enjoy this weather. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna get some lunch and bring you guys along with me. I kind of want to do something, don't know what. I think I'm just gonna take the opportunity to just ride out and enjoy the sunshine while I can. I did get gas earlier, so I'm good to go. So let me just see if I can find the chicken salad chick, because I got a taste for that. So I'll pick up with you guys later. I must say, I must have really wanted this chicken salad chick, because it was like a 30-minute drive from me. Like, I really must have wanted this. Hello. How are you? Good, how are you? Thank you. So I'm just about to park and eat my food because, yeah, I'm far away from familiar territory anyways. I just want to park and eat and enjoy it. And then I'll probably go and get my ice cream because I still got a taste for ice cream too. So I just ate my food, finished it up, killed it. I haven't had chicken salad chicken in so long. Probably actually when we last were home, because we have them back home in Georgia. So I literally took a 30-minute drive just to get some chicken salad chick, and it was worth it. It was bomb. I always get I won't say always, because I have a couple of their chicken salad mixes that I like. Today I got the classic Carol on wheat bread, and I had them toast that, and I got basically the half sandwich with the cup of soup combo, and I got loaded baked potato soup. So good. And I love their little cookies. I'll probably save this for later, but their little cookies are so good. They're like buttercream sugar cookies. I'll save that for later because I do still want to get my ice cream. That's actually where I'm about to head now. But yeah, off topic. I usually either get classic Carol chicken salad, or Olivia's Old South is really good, and then Fancy Nancy. It's either Fancy Nancy or Fruity Fran. Both of those have the fruit in it, but one of them has pecans, and I don't always need to eat the pecans. I'll just do like the one that has like the pieces of grapes and apples in it. Those are all really good. So yeah, I'm about to head to get my ice cream. I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. I just had a taste for some ice cream for a Marble Slab Creamery for like the past 3 or 4 weeks now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and satisfy that little craving and be on my way. I don't know what I want to do after that. I was literally trying to figure out if I need to get anything while I'm out. If I do, it'll come to mind, but I don't need to get anything right now. So I'll probably just get my ice cream and head home. It's currently 2 o'clock. I used the app to check on Nola, and she was doing something. I don't know what she was doing, but she came when I called her. She like came from like behind our couch and kind of like stopped in the middle of the living room, and she heard me calling her. So that was funny, and I just told her to sit. I had to say it a couple times and she eventually did it. But okay, y'all, so I had to turn the music off, so I'm not trying to get copyrighted, but I got my ice cream. I think this is the cake batter and carnival cookie, something, I can't remember, but it's basically cake batter ice cream with like chocolate pieces and syrup, and it's already dripping on me. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing anything else out here today. And I still want to get home. We'll check on Nola. So yeah, I've just been in like a sweets kind of mood. I had bought some non-dairy Ben and Jerry's ice cream. It's at home right now, of course, but it's like this a pint size that you get from like the ice cream section at the grocery store. But it's non-dairy, like cookie dough, I think, ice cream by Ben and Jerry's. It's pretty good, but I wanted the real deal, y'all. I was just craving some good old ice cream, and it's not disappointing me. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying my ice cream. Good morning, everybody. So today is Sunday. I know yesterday I left off, I think, with me stopping to get ice cream. Funny story, I didn't even finish all that ice cream. I knew it was gonna be too much. I probably should have got the size smaller than that, like literally just a scoop. And that's the size they gave me. I think it's like 3 scoops of ice cream and then all that topping, and it was just too much. So I mean, it was still good, but it was too much. So I didn't even finish my ice cream. There is Nola. Nola, I think she lost the ball. I had the urge to like take a bath and like really do some self-care. Like I need to do a pedicure and I need to do something with my nails. Everything is just looking rough. So I think I want to do that. I also got some cleaning to do today. I didn't do much yesterday since I was kind of like out and about. So yeah, I'll probably fold some clothes, do some more laundry. I need to like sweep the floors and stuff like that. And I have some other work to do, like business related work, that I'll probably get into probably a little bit later this afternoon. I don't think I'm gonna do much today. Today, yet again, looks like another gloomy day outside, but you never know, it could change. I don't have any plans to leave the house. I might go out and get some lunch and let that be it. But yeah, so y'all will hang out with me today, and yeah, so let me start. I'm gonna make my bed up.
Can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast feel me. Feel us. West Coast feel me. Say what? Here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast feel me. Say what? West Coast feel me. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got to figure it out. East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. That God, for you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good.
It's Sunday, so I usually am in the mood for breakfast, but let me just dust in here because that needs to be done too.
I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I let you know, you can know until I know that. Are you responsible? So much is here. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I break down. Right now I'm not. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really feel. Tell me how that's alright. Boy, won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my tricks, my lows, my highs, just so I'm low key. If you tell the world, oh boy, see I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you go. If I let this go, you can do until I know that. I hope you're responsible. So much is here. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I wake up. Right now I'm not. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really feel. Tell me how that's alright.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big VA. Won't you come play around my way? And listen to what I got.
I did want to show y'all this candle that I have real quick. Excuse me in the bonnet, y'all. My hair is twisted. It's just not pinned back, so I just still have my bonnet on. So yeah. I just lit this candle, y'all. So this is the DW Home brand of candles from like TJ Maxx and Marshall sells these. This is the cinnamon apple and oats. Smells really, really good. This is the little lid for it, but it just describes it as sugared, spiced, and tart. That's just a little bit of the candle burnt wick that touched it. But Delectable oats and brown sugar stirred with apple chunks and a hint of cinnamon and nutmeg is how the smell is described, and it smells really, really good.